I'm your host Patrick, and if you don't remember, I'm a highly trained, unprofessional seasonal rider here in Norway. And today we're gonna ride and it's a little bit cold today, so we'll just go a little bit downtown. I don't have any plan for what I will be talking today, but I'm thinking of doing a little motovlog number 1. Well, there is always a subject we can talk about, and that subject would be accident or actually dying. What happens if I die? So I would like you as well to post in the comment what you're thinking of doing if something happens to you. The thing is, in a way, that's why I choose as well a cruiser and not a racing motorcycle. And the question comes always into my mind, since I have as well 2 kids. So yes, for the record, I managed to procreate. And number 2 is when you do, you'll see that there is something changing as well in your mind, in the way you act. I would say when I was 20 years old, I didn't care if I would die tomorrow or what. But when you get kids, you think twice about your decision. But the motorcycle has always been a part of my life since I started cycling when I was a little kid, riding a moped when I was we call it moped. It's like a type of scooter type when I was 14 years old that I bought myself from my first bike. And I think it's quite cold today. And well, what would happen if I die? I mean, for me the thing is, anyway, as a biker, take the whole way. As a biker, well, if you crash, you don't have as much metal as you have when you crash with a car. So usually there is not much part left to salvage. But I'm a donor. That was the first thing. I have a donor card in my wallet in case I get hit. If there is something that can be salvaged, I think the brain, now it's not possible to do much with this anyhow. But we don't know. It can help save lives. The only thing is as well, life insurance is quite important to think of. But again, the thing is, I want to leave as well the least footprint possible. It's getting actually warmer. I might do a bigger tour. It's cool enough to have well, as I said, I want to leave the least footprint if something happens to me. So as I said, I want to be cremated. That's the best thing, and don't need a tomb or whatever, just put it in a hole. Usually they have a place in the cemetery for those that don't want to be part of that don't want to have a stone or whatever. So let's open it a little bit here. You can drive at 60 here, and you're actually driving below, actually just at the limit. Really nice.